Kinagiliwan ng mga netizens ang recent photoshoot ni Veronica Kitty Duterte na pinost niya sa kanyang social media account. Narito at panoorin. Sa recent photoshoot ng social media personality na si Veronica Kitty Duterte, ay umaning nga ito ng papuri mula sa mga netizens. At narito nga ang behind the scenes ng kanyang photoshoot.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? At kung ano ang inyong komento at saloobin, just comment down below at babasahin natin yan at pag-uusapan natin para sa ating susunod na video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.